Hello, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 5. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings and now enter security. Go to screen lock, and as you can see right here we've got 5 types of screen locks: non-swipe, pattern, pin and password. We are going to use each one of them to unlock the phone. Let's start with 2 non-security screen locks, which is non and swipe. And now let's select password. To create it, enter at least 4 characters. Again, use it to unlock the phone. Now let's select PIN number, and to create it, enter at least 4 digits. In the end, let's select pattern, and to create it, connect at least 4 dots. Once it's done, let's go to Fingerprint Manager. Tap More, Agree, Next, and now scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located on the power button. Each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Now you can use your fingerprint to unlock the phone. And that's basically it for unlock methods. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.